Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Tuesday, March 26. Today, in terms of economic data, we got durable good orders month over month 1.4. We were expecting 1.1, so actually, this is pretty decent for the economy and for the strength of the economy to be bullish on the soft landing. But the big important data today, I think it was, as Fed was saying, that they think the home sector needs to cool down. The Case-Shiller came today 6.6. We were expecting 6.7, but still an uptick. And I think this is barely a miss because house price index month over month continues barely flat, 0.1, minus 0.1. The previous one was 0.1 in the positive, and year over year still, look at this price index, 6.3%. Also, the consumer confidence for March came lower than expected. And maybe this is good for inflation, but I think investors are looking for earnings, always forward EPS, forward thinking into stocks and earnings. And I think consumer confidence ticking lower, it's bad for the revenue, it's bad for earnings. And we are seeing today a little bit of profit taking and also a little bit of selling ahead of, remember that this Friday is holiday. So ahead of Thursday, GDP growth for quarter over quarter, and also Friday, which we are going to see nothing in the markets, but we have data, we have PCE, personal income, personal spending, and also Fed Chair Jerome Powell. So Friday, markets will be closed, and at the same time, we'll be releasing a lot of important critical economic data for the week ahead. So I think this week it's pretty tricky, a lot of choppiness in the market, a lot of hedging from hedge funds, big investors, and banks. So I think this is why we are seeing this kind of choppy price action as we are seeing. Today we got basically the bounce from yesterday, which I was pretty bullish today. In the 15-minute chart, I was looking towards this liquidity up here. And I was trying to catch that move. I took a trade. I was pretty late in the overnight because I had some things to do. But since the London Open, this is the London Open, big push to the upside, and we took these two liquidities. These buy-side liquidity zones were my initial target, and I was just waiting for a pullback, see if this inverse got run through. We got that. I got nice entry here. The stop was basically this fair value gap bullish, but now that we were pulling back into this inverse fair value gap, I was quite confident that we were looking to see maybe this pivot. I was looking for more, but this candle scared the heck out of me. So I took my 23 points, my $400. I waited for the open, and look at this shitty price action at the open. It's just choppy before, then big flash, big push, big flash, big push, big flash, and now we are chopping. So we are in a channel. This is an inside day from yesterday. This is pretty important to see because we are in the range of yesterday's in both Nasdaq and also in the ES. So ES is pretty damn bullish because this is the break of the all-time highs and the fair value gap that we are holding. But I don't think we are going to see a lot of moves this week because this week the big money is not going to trade. No, it's not going to be able to trade. So because Friday is basically holiday. So the open on Monday next week is going to be super important, but right now look at this price action. This is just nothing. We can catch some kind of moves, but this is not worth. Dollar, it's quite bullish. This is concerning to me. Gold, it's dumping. Nvidia was dumping. Apple was super choppy. Microsoft dumped a lot. Google is the only one that is barely trying to push this market up, the same as Meta, but Meta couldn't hold this channel, and then into this double top, we just I think there's a lot of profit taking even on day traders. You get this push and then the dump. So I'm not, we are day traders, but the big money is just either hedged or not holding into the Friday. That's why we are not seeing continuation. So my best recommendation is to wait until Friday, to wait to see the data and then wait for next week. And that's all. That's all I have for you. This is just pretty damn boring price action. There's a lot of risk and we are waiting for data. Everyone is waiting. So be patient, be disciplined, and just wait for that information. That's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that the trading day is not over yet. Discipline and risk management are going to be key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.